Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be on how I made my DIY graduation cap, and I'm so excited. I've been wanting to make this video for the longest time, and I'm so glad I'm finally able to do it. So what do you guys think? I am in love with this cap. I've seriously had like a Pinterest board of all the things that I want to do with my graduation cap, and I'm like speechless to even think that like I'm graduating in 10 days, literally. So I will show you guys how I made this awesome grad cap, and let me know what you guys think. You'll need scissors, a pencil, box cutter, stickers or embellishments, a ruler, cardstock for the background, your grad cap, and transfer tape and vinyl if you don't have stickers. Since I created the words with vinyl, I used Cricut Design Space to visualize my cap. This helped so much and suggest it even if you don't use your vinyl cutter. I added the shape of a square in black, measured 9.5 by 9.5, since that is the size of the cap, and then I turned it. I then added a small circle about the size of the middle of the cap. It's okay to ballpark the size. I placed it directly in the middle by aligning it vertically and horizontally. This helps visualizing the size more with the wording to see if it'll fit everything. Then slice it so the hole is attached to the square. Start by typing your quote. I liked the all caps look and changed it to white, and then did the same thing for the rest of the quote. I added a small picture of a sunflower just for visual purposes, and then began to write the rest of my quote in the font I wanted. I had to adjust the alignment but sped this process up to save time. And then once you do that, you're done. For video purposes, I removed everything but the words, then grouped and welded the words to get it ready for the Cricut. As always, the Cricut will do its thing, and then you can weld it. Off camera, I measured the cap and cut the black glitter cardstock. I did a little more than 9.5 so it wasn't too short. Now you can place it on top of the cap and find where the middle of the cap is. Start by poking a hole with your pencil and then your scissors, and then use the pencil again to push it through. I had to keep going back and forth with the scissors to cut small sections. Remember to not cut too much, because if you do, then you'll have a much bigger hole. Once I had the size, I pushed the cardstock in place and hot glued the cardstock to the hat for extra protection. Make sure you know where the front of the cap is before you start designing. I then placed the sunflower on the middle of the cap and began to attach the vinyl to the cap. As always, use your transfer tape and scraper tool. This part was extremely difficult because the glitter is very hard to adhere to. I suggest to only use vinyl if it's a plain cardstock design, or just use stickers if you want the glitter cardstock like mine. So my battery died mid-tutorial, so I'm not happy about that. All you guys saw was getting this on, and I guess the sunflower. I changed the sunflower. I found like a little bouquet of sunflowers, and like big ones and small ones. So I found this cute little one, and I decided let me glue this one on instead, because I'd like the real flower instead of the sticker. And then I bought these pearls. They came in strips. It was like a strip of pearls and then a strip of gems, pearls, gems. So I bought 2 of those, so that was able to cover the entire thing, because like I said, this is only 9.5 by 9.5. And then I just added the little butterflies on here because I think they are super cute. So I guess I'll tell you guys why I made this. With me, I went to college right after high school, and I went away to school like 2 hours away from home, so I wasn't really near like my friends, my family. And my junior year, I actually had to leave because I got sick, and I missed so much school of my second semester my junior year that I had to just take a leave of absence, and it broke my heart. I really didn't want to have to do that, but it was best for like me and my health and my time, and I'm okay now. I'm perfectly fine. It was really hard because at that time in my life, I didn't really know what I wanted to do, and I was kind of really confused on if I wanted to go back to school, if I didn't. So I didn't go back to school right away. After I took my leave of absence, I worked for a full year. And then I decided that wasn't for me and I really wanted to finish my degree. I applied to a local school near me and I got in, clearly. I was supposed to graduate in 2017 and then it delayed it, 2 years later, obviously, because I took the year off. I think I was so upset for a while because I wanted to graduate with all my friends and my classmates, and I couldn't do that anymore. And there are a lot of factors as to why I left my old school, and it wasn't just, me getting sick. It was a lot of financial things and a lot of mental health things. So this is why I chose this quote, because I've honestly been through a lot of things in, my past, 6 years of going to college and on and off. And no matter what, I always persisted and I always went after my goals and went after my dreams. And I think that's the best thing that you can do in life, And then I have this one for my mother because she unfortunately passed away about five years ago, and she always wanted me to, I'm not crying. She always wanted me to succeed in life and do the best I could. I really owe it to her for being there for me and for always doing that. So I really wanted her to be on my grad cap. Instead of ladybugs, I put little butterflies, which kind of, are the same thing, in a sense. Whenever I see butterflies, I always think of past ones and loved ones. I love sunflowers. I think they're beautiful. They have a lot of meaning behind them. I think the pearls just added a cute touch. I originally only had just this and the words and the sunflower, and I was like, something's missing. I just ran to Michael's really quick and got the pearls, and I got the butterflies, and I was like, perfect. But thank you guys so much for tuning in. I'm so glad I was able to show you guys how I made my grad cap. If you like this video, please, as always, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. I will see you in the next video. Bye! We out.